Hi guys, in front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5 and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So at first open your Play Store, then click on your account icon and now select Manage Apps and Device. From the following list select Updates, and here you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or let me stop it, or you can update all apps at once by tapping on Update All. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.